today guys, we got the car and we're going to be going to a car meet. I finally gave it a wash. I know it's been such a long time since this thing has got a little bath, but it's a little shined up, got some tire shine. You know, it's all clean now. So we're gonna get in the car and we're gonna head over to the car meet. There's nothing like getting inside of a car that is all clean. Turn this down. Yeah, this has to be a joke. 100 degrees. I think we should do that one more time for the people in the back. Yep, y'all guessed it. We need gas. We got 21 miles to empty, like usual. So we're heading to the gas station first. You already know what gas station we go to? Racetrack. Like I said, if you don't go here, you a bum. You have to go to Racetrack. We basically live at this gas station already. So this is gonna get up to like 60 bucks, I guarantee. 62 beans. Hurts to breathe. That hurts to breathe, yo?
Oh God, bro, that shit's fucking crazy.
Dude, my ears are popping, yo. Yo, look at all the people here. Oh, he's got the Texas license plate. Oh, he's in trouble. That guy's in trouble right there. Uh-oh, Popo got someone. There we go, he's got him. Oh, he's running. Yo, that man just ran. Yo. Man really just ran from the police, yo. Yo, they're out here. And there's another police car. Yo, we going up there. This is a small taste of what Texas car meets are like. I gotta go to Orlando next. We're outside. Who are these guys? What are they wearing? Yo, this is so clean. Alright, y'all, so it's time for me to go on the road and do some flybys since everyone else is doing it. So have my boy record for me and we're gonna get good. Let's get a little warm start. Yes, sir, here we go.
Bro, you can hear from like fire.
Fallen soldier, man. Fallen soldier. Anyway. I hate trucks. Oh, I hear one. Damn! A 01. That's crazy. Rivet. All right, we left the meet, yo, but that was a pretty good meet that I've been to so far down here in Florida. That was one of the best ones I've been to. But I want to go to ones in Orlando because I know Orlando and Tampa. I'm going to be going to Tampa soon. I know they have a lot of good meets, so we're going to be going there, going to some meets, recording them, and hopefully get some more good footage. Everyone watching this video right now, take a minute, hit that like button. The more you like the video, the more the video gets pushed out, more people get to see it. Smash that like button for me. Y'all know what to do, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the video, follow the Instagram, follow the TikTok. It's all in links in the bio. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.